my manifestation, and it starts with a vision, a picture in my mind that radiates everything I desire. Imagine this. I wake up every day feeling vibrant and healthy, my body nourished by the most delicious, wholesome foods. I see myself glowing, not just from the outside, but from within, exuding beauty and love in every interaction. Happiness flows through me like an endless stream, fueling my energy and enthusiasm for life. I attract money effortlessly, surrounded by abundance in every form. I'm doing work that lights me up, engaging with clients who inspire me and bring joy to my days. Picture me traveling the world, exploring new cultures, and meeting incredible people along the way. I'm dressed in the finest clothes, feeling confident and stylish, embodying the luxury I've always dreamed of. My home is a cozy sanctuary, filled with warmth and trust, surrounded by friends who uplift and support me. I'm in a happy relationship where love flows freely, and we create beautiful memories together. I've become famous for my writing, my words resonating with others as I share my journey through a book that touches hearts. I'm earning money through my blogs, affiliate marketing, and a YouTube channel that's not just monetized but thriving. I'm generating income while doing what I love, effortlessly. Vacations are a regular part of my life, each getaway a chance to recharge and explore. This is my manifestation, and it's not just a dream. It's my reality waiting to unfold. I'm ready to step into this life, to embrace every moment and every opportunity that comes my way. The universe is listening, and I'm calling it in,